Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we shall discuss class 9 mathematics English medium number system exercise 1.3 question number 3 Roman number 1 and Roman number 2. Dear students, if you are benefited by the channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel to get the more updated videos. Exercise 1.3 page number 36. Question number 3. Express the following in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Roman number 1 0.6 bar and Roman number 2 0.47 bar. Solution Roman number 1 0.6 bar. So at x equal to 0.6 bar. So how many digits are repeated here? Only single digit is repeated here and that digit is 6. So implies x equal to 0.6666 like that. Implies since single digit is repeated here, so we have to multiply both the left hand side as well as right hand side by 10. If two different digits are repeated here, then we have to multiply by 100 both the sides. If three different digits are repeated here, then to multiply by 1000 both the sides. Implies 10 into x becomes 10x equal to this decimal point. After multiplying by 10, this decimal point is replaced after the first 6.666 like that. Implies 10x equal to, we taken 6 completely here, so what is remaining here? 0 plus 0.666 like that. Implies 10x equal to 6 plus 0. In place of 0.666 we put x, because we have already taken x equal to 0.666 like that. Implies 10x minus x. 10x minus x equal to 6. Implies 9x equal to 6. Implies x equal to 6 divided by 9. So we cancel it by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Implies x equal to 2 by 3, which is the form of rational number. This is the answer. Solution number 2, 0.47 bar. Let x equal to 0.47 bar. Implies x equal to 0.4777 like that, because 7 is the repeating digit here. So implies since 7 is the repeating digit, so we have to multiply both the left hand side as well as right hand side by 10. So 10 into x equal to 10 into 0.4777 like that. Implies 10x equal to, after multiplying by 10, this decimal point is replaced and it will put after 4. So 4.777 like that. Implies 10x equal to 4.3. From 7 we have taken 3. So 4.3 plus 0, nothing is remaining, 0.4777 like that. Implies 10x equal to 4.3 plus, this is nothing but x. 0.477 is our what? Is our x. This is our x. Implies 10x minus x equal to 4.3. Implies 9x equal to 4.3. Implies x equal to 4.3 divided by 9. Implies this decimal point is replaced and 1 0 will come just after the right side of 9. So it becomes x equal to 43 divided by 90, which is our answer.